Scrooge. Scrooge. Rudolph and Frosty's Christmas in July. Sounder 1972. More 446 of 661. The best black movies ever made. Ranked 195 of 196. The biggest tearjerker movies of all time. One Little Indian. The Phantom Tollbooth. The Phantom Tollbooth. Now you see him, now you don't. More Now You See Him, Now You Don't. 35 of 97. The best Disney live-action movies. 36 of 67. 25 plus best Kurt Russell movies of all time. Ranked 13 of 45. The best Disney science fiction movies of all time. You're Not Elected. Charlie Brown. Napoleon and Samantha. Mountain Family Robinson. Huckleberry Finn. Gus. Fantastic Planet. Fantastic Planet. The Castaway Cowboy. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Across the Great Divide. King of the Grizzlies. Pufnstuf. The Cat from Outer Space. The Slipper and the Rose. The Little Prince. The Shaggy D. Shaggy D. Yellow Battle. Bugsy Malone. More Bugsy Malone. 187 of 206 musical movies with the best songs. 320 of 356. The best musical movies of all time. 67 of 124 the most rewatchable movie musicals. Black Beauty. Herbie Goes to Monte Carlo. Herbie Goes to Monte Carlo. The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Watership Down. Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer. The Bad News Bears. The Bad News Bears. For the Love of Benji. Freaky Friday. More Freaky Friday. 65 of 96. The best film adaptations of young adult novels age of 34. The best mother-daughter movies ever made. 6 of 27. 20 plus great movies where characters swap ages or bodies. The Bugs Bunny / Road Runner movie. Frosty's Winter Wonderland. The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. The Hobbit. The Hobbit. Golden Voyage of Sinbad. Where the red fern grows. Where the red fern grows. The Black Stallion. The Lorax. Race for Your Life, Charlie Brown. Race for Your Life, Charlie Brown. Rudolph's Shiny New Year. Be My Valentine, Charlie Brown. The Apple Dumpling Gang. The Cat in the Hat. Winnie the Pooh and Tigger 2. The Year Without a Santa Claus. The Year Without a Santa Claus. Snoopy, Come Home. Snoopy, Come Home. Superman. Superman. Benji. More Benji 160 of 277. The top tearjerker movies that make men cry 71. 190 the greatest animal movies ever made. Pete's Dragon. A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving. More A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving 15 of 84 great movies that take place in autumn 1 of 32 the best movies about Thanksgiving ranked. The Aristocats. More The Aristocats 23 of 206 musical movies with the best songs 874 of 1540 the most rewatchable movies 118 of 553 best 70s movies. The Rescuers. The Muppet Movie. Bedknobs and Broomsticks. More Bedknobs and Broomsticks 151 of 369, the best movies based on books 231 of 295 the best lows of all time. Star Wars. Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.